Puli Inji. This is a tangy and spicy ginger tamarind chutney that is a staple in Kerala's traditional feast, especially during Onam. So let us make this delicious Puli Inji today. Start by soaking 1 cup of tamarind in 2 cups of water. Mash it with your fingers and let it soak for an hour. After soaking, mash it again and set it aside. Next, finely chop some ginger and green chilies. Heat oil in a pan and add mustard seeds, 2 sprigs of curry leaves and 2 dry red chilies. Saute for few seconds. Then add chopped ginger. Saute again for few seconds and add chopped green chilies. Cook this on low heat until the ginger and green chilies are well cooked. Strain the tamarind pulp into the pan. Add jaggery powder and mix well. Add a pinch of asafoetida, turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Cook until the mixture thickens. Finally, add a pinch of roasted methi seeds powder and give a good mix. Your Puli Inji is now ready to be served. Its perfect balance of sweet, sour and spicy flavors makes it an essential part of the festive spread. If you enjoyed this recipe, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.